Here's what's up. I've only got it to like half done so far, right? But I'll go ahead and show you what's up. I don't think you need to see the whole thing. Like half is good. So it's just 4 bits, like 4 inputs here and 4 outputs. The orange is output. Yellow actually comes to these dip switches down here, which I've got set in like a known pattern. And then orange is these LEDs. There's conveniently there's 8, so I'll be able to test an entire octal latch with just these LEDs, and then these switches. There's also 8. And then I've got so this is the output enable, which is so you can clock data into this latch and then have it not output, and that's convenient because bus contention, right? So you could, if you have like 2 chips trying to broadcast to the bus, which is just a set of wires, right? So it's just wires. At the same time, then your bus gets jacked, right? It's like a car accident on the bus. Like, what's that thing Chris I4 taught us about? Like collision on Ethernet and stuff. Yeah, it's like that. So like if you don't want the output, right, you can pull this wire and like turn it positive, and then bam, like it stops outputting to the bus, right? But then if you want the output back, bam, like, yeah, please put it. So that's what that's about. So output enable. And then the clock is actually right here. This is the clock line, and I've got it set to this push button. So I'll go ahead and let me just toggle these. Actually, I'll just toggle them all on. So you'll see I've actually toggled the input. So like right now, these lines are all high from this switch, but the lights haven't changed yet, and that's because I haven't clocked it into the latch, right? And so we'll go ahead and do that by pushing this button, and ta-da! All right, and we'll go ahead and switch them all off, because, you know, why not? We're just having a good old time. Where's my can you guys see that? You can't really see that, but anyway, I'm just switching these dip switches, switching some switch, and then they're all off. But again, they're all still on, right? Because I haven't actually clocked it into the latch yet. So I'm going to clock it now. Boop, and bam, they're all off, right? Because they latched in, and then that gets reflected on the output. And that's it. It's like the most basic piece of computer memory. It's like an 8-bit register right there, is what you could call that. 8-bit latch, octal latch. And I've got 4 here, and I'm just going to make sure they all work, and that's why we're building this little jig. All right.